Beginner's Boost, push-up workout designed for newcomers. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a quick yet effective push-up workout designed specifically for beginners. So, are you ready to get started? Let's go. Now, all you need is your own body weight to complete this workout. We'll start with 20 push-ups. Remember, the most important thing is to maintain proper form throughout. Once you've completed 20 push-ups, take a quick 10-second breather. After that, you're going to do another 20 push-ups. Here's where it gets interesting. This workout incorporates short bursts of activity and has EMOMs every minute on the minute. So, at the end of your second set of 20 push-ups, hit the stopwatch and set it for 1 minute. During that time, complete as many push-ups as possible before the timer ends. Once you've finished, take another 10-second break. Then, repeat the process until the timer runs out. This workout not only targets your triceps and chest muscles, but it also helps tone your shoulders and abs. And don't worry, if you can't complete all 8 sets in one session, that's perfectly fine. Just pick up where you left off next time. That's it for today's workout. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts designed for beginners like this one. Happy working out, everyone.